Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine, enjoying your life. So today we discuss about the European Union, the Union of European countries. What is European Union? It is a union, shared value, liberty, democracy, respect for human right and fundamental freedom and the rule of law, largest economic body in the world's most successful model for advanced peace and democracy, a unique institution, member state voluntarily gained national sovereignty in many areas to carry out common policies and the governance. Not a super state to replace existing state, nor just an organization for international cooperation. World's most open market for goods and commodities from developing countries, have 27 members. Combined population of European Union states about 490 million, 7% of world population, 30% of global GDP, 55% of combined worldwide official development assistance. European Union institution, European Commission, 27 commissioners representing the European perspective, each responsible for a specific policy area. European Union executive branch propose legislation, manage Union's day-to-day business and budget, and enforce the rules, negotiation trade agreement, and manage Europe's multilateral development cooperations. Council of European Union. European Union main decision-making body comprises of ministers of 27 member states representing member state point of view. Decide on foreign policy issue. Council presidency rotates among member states every 6 months. European Parliament, voice of European citizen, members elected for 5-year term. With the Council passes European Union law and adopt European Union budget, approve European Union commissioners. European Union Court of Justice, highest European Union judicial system, ensures all European Union laws are interpreted and applied correctly and uniformly. Can act as an independent policy maker, but unlike the US Supreme Court, the European Union Court of Justice can only deal with matter covered by treaties. European Union Central Bank. The euro was introduced in 1999. The European Union Central Bank (ECB) is central bank for Europe's single currency, the euro. ECB main task to maintain euro's purchasing power and thus price stability in the euro area. The euro area comprises the 15 European Union countries that have introduced since 1999. The ECB is separate independently from member state government, united in diversity, the euro. Belgium, Germany, Ireland, Greece, Spain, France, Italy, Luxembourg, Vatican City, San Marino, Monaco, Finland, Slovenia, Portugal, Austria, Netherlands. The euro. In 1999, the euro area was established as a currency in 11 of then 15 euro members. Of the 27 European members, today 15 have adopted the euro. One of the striking benefits of a single European currency are low interest rate due to high degree of price stability. Euro is as stable and credible as the best performing currency previously used in euro area countries. European Coal and Steel Community. After the World War II, the aims to secure peace among Europe's victorious and vanished nations and bring them together as equal cooperation with shared institutions, based on a plan by French Foreign Minister Robert Schuman. 6 founding countries, Belgium and Federal Republic of Germany, France, Italy, Luxembourg and Netherlands, signed a treaty to run heavy industry, coal and steel under common management. Jean Mont, another leader with first European ingot of steel. 1975 Treaty of Rome. The six founding countries expanding cooperation to other economic sectors, creating European Economic Community (EEC) or Common Market. As a result, people, goods, service, and capital today move freely across the European Union. In 1951, founding members Belgium, France, Italy, Germany, Luxembourg, and Netherlands are the founding members of European Union. In 1973, Denmark, Ireland joined this alliance. In 1981, Greece. In 1986, Portugal and Spain. November 89, fall of Berlin Wall set the stage for unifying European Union and European enlarged. In 1995, Austria, Finland, Sweden joined this alliance. In 2004, Cyprus, Czech, Estonia, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Malta, Poland, Slovenia joined this alliance. In 2007, Bulgaria, Romania joined this. Candidate country Croatia, former Yugoslavia, Republic of Macedonia, Turkey are the candidate for joining this alliance. Potential candidate countries Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Montenegro, Serbia, including Kosovo under UN Security Council Resolution 1224. European Union and United States. Our strong friendship is essential to peace and prosperity around the globe. No temporary debate to passing this agreement among the nations. No power on earth will ever divide us. The relationship between the United States and Europe is the world's strongest, most comprehensive and strategically important partnership. The United States and United Europe is the Independence Partnership. President of European Union Commission, Jose Manuel Barroso. Shared values and responsibility. Freedom and democracy. Support free election, government, human rights and rule of law around the world. Security. Cooperate to fight terrorism, limit separate nuclear weapon and work for global peace. Development. Together European and USA provide 80% of global development assistance and have an even larger share of the global humanitarian aid in the time of disaster and conflict. European Union companies are leading foreign investors in the USA, the UK, Germany, France and Netherlands. Top 4 source jobs created by foreign invest in the United States. American companies invest far more in European countries than in Asia. USA business make 5 times profit in Netherlands alone as they make in China. In 2005, European Union invest in taxes alone surpassed all US investment in China and Japan combined. BMW assemble plant in South Carolina, largest private sector employer. The largest foreign investor in USA. European Union 65, Canada 9, Mexico 5, Japan 11, Hong Kong 30, China 003, other at 60.8. Since no single nation can efficiently and effectively deal with global challenges such as climate change, counter-terrorism, non-proliferation, pandemic and natural disaster on its own, we commit ourselves to strengthening our cooperation to address these challenges. European Union Summit Declaration on 2000 July 2006 in Vienna. Yes, European Union Innovation Leadership for 21st Century. On the cutting edge of the design, technology, research, advanced energy efficiency and protecting the environment, a global economic power. European Union power about 490 million and many more. So hope you guys enjoy the lecture. Please subscribe, share, comment on our channel. Thank you. Allah Hamid Nasser. Allah Hafiz. Please again say subscribe, share our channel. comment.